If you are scheduled for a procedure with me this week, here are some simple tips on how to prepare for the procedure. First, relax. We've got you covered on this. Secondly, stop doing research. Please focus on the information that we provide you. I find that patients that do too much research prior to the procedure have more anxiety. Do not exercise in a very strenuous fashion this week. I find that people that do heavy exercise on the week of the procedure may have a little bit more bleeding during the procedure, and that's the main issue. As far as alcohol consumption, if you want to have a glass of wine or beer or even liquor the night before the procedure, that's fine. Just don't overdo it. I look forward to seeing you later this week, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to phone our office.